Jai Sriman 15th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Swayameva Atmanatmanam Vettatvam Purushottama भूतभावना भूतेश देवदेवा जगत्पते ओम। Realize that Sri Krishna Paramatma is the Supreme. He is Purushottama. Sri Krishna Paramatma is the creator of all beings. Sri Krishna Paramatma is Lord of all beings. Sri Krishna Paramatma is God of gods. Sri Krishna Paramatma is the ruler of entire universe. Only Sri Krishna Paramatma can declare completely about himself, but none others. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Do not cry. Mamekam Saranam Vraja Ma Suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall realize that you are Purushottama. You are the creator of all beings. You are the Lord of all beings. You are the God of all gods. You are the ruler of the entire universe. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 125th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Yasoda Devi, as soon as she recognized, identified Krishna as Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu, immediately Paramatma with his Yoga Maya again made Yasoda Devi consider him as her own son. Then onwards, Yashoda Devi again pouring her affection on her son Krishna. The one who is being realized by all Upanishads is now being raised by Yashoda Devi. When Sri Sukha Yogindra told all this to Parikshit Narendra asking, "Ho Yogindra, Nandaha kimakarot brahman shreya evam mahodayam Yashoda cha mahabhaga pasau yasyastanam harihi." జగదీశ్వరునకు చన్నిచ్చు తల్లిగా నేమి నోము నోచె ఈ యశోద, పుత్రుడనుచునతని పోషించు తండ్రిగా నందుడు ఏమి చేసే నందితాత్మా. హో యోగీంద్ర, యశోదాదేవి, Nanda, they were able to get Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu as their son. What such a wonderful great fortune they got. What did they do to get this kind of fortune? Did they do any tapasya? Paramatma, those who wants to get rid of all their sins, they will sing about Paramatma's divine glory and divine stories. Gayanti adyapi kavayaha yalloka samalapaham. All the people getting rid of their sins by chanting the glory of Paramatma. Now such Paramatma is being raised by Yashoda Devi and Nanda. What did they do to get that kind of opportunity? Sakshat Paramatma, who is nourishing this entire universe, is now being nourished by Yashoda Devi. Sakshat Paramatma, who is taking care of all these worlds, now being taken care by Nanda. What kind of tapasya this Nanda and Yashoda have done to get that kind of great opportunity. Like that, when Parikshit Narendra asked Sri Sukha Yogindra saying, "Ho Narendra, there used to be one Drona, he is one Vasu, he belongs to Vasu's category. Drona's wife is Dhara. Both of them were ordered by Chaturmukha Brahma to be born as humans on this earth at the time of Krishna Avataram." Like that, Sri Sukha teaching about Nanda Yashoda's past history. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 15th sloka. Svayamevatmana atmanam vetthatvam purushottama bhuta bhavana bhutesha devadeva jagatpate. Svayamevatmana atmanam vetthatvam purushottama bhuta bhavana bhutesha devadeva jagatpate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.